seeing where it's actually showing. But I'm out here, what I'm going to do is put my piece back on here. This little thing.
I'm going to fit and repair this to my tractor. I made it, and since I've readjusted and fixed the front on the tractor, I've got to fit it back in and do a little bit of repair. This does help when picking things up and separating gravel. The bigger chunks out of it is what it's made for. Since redoing this, I'm going to have to make some modification to make this worker. See if I got. You got to realize this is in a different spot. I have moved things, so it's not in the exact same spots as what I had.
We did it when we were using it, so.
He drove the scooter. He went and got me a drink.
So they haven't been used, so it's not like it's hurting them.
Welding these braces on because so it doesn't let larger chunks of rock, flat rocks, come through. The good part about using a 110 MIG, 100 amp MIG, or 110, 115 is you got plugs all over your house. If you got a 220, it's stuck in one place. I've been using this MIG '07, '08, somewhere around there. I bought it in the pawn shop for $160, $150, $60. So it's flux core. You don't have to worry about gas. It's not as pretty, but it still works and holds up.
Back here
You
and
just
check out, see how this
may have to
works,
take a little longer, but it gets it done.
and see how this works where I've got the camera. I don't know. I just want to see what the video looks like and show you why I built this the way I did.
I'm gonna have to play with getting the camera set up better. I'm sorry. It didn't turn out. I didn't look and I didn't know. I need to pull it down a little bit to get a better focus. But it does work, and this thing's lightweight. This SJ cam, I think C300. It's actually doing pretty good. I recorded this, so it was about an hour and a half all total and clipped everything out. But I'm picking this up, and I made it to separate this stuff because where I get it at, they have a lot bigger chunks, and this way you don't have to spend hours or 3 or 4 people out there throwing it. It gets most of the bigger chunks out. Now it can slide out the side, so, but this also helps pick up things better than it did without. So I can pick up different things. So I'll get back to the video.
Well, too high. Whoa! That's not good.
I need to get about 400 or 500 pounds on the rear of my tractor to make this work out a lot better. Is one of the problems. When I'm buckets full, the
So let me
rear
explain what's
end
going
of the
on.
tractor's a lot
This
lighter.
is mostly from a job that I did, and I got to pile it up and put it in a bigger pile. This has bigger chunks in it, but anything about 4 inches or smaller is going to go over here to where I can break it up. So all this is free, but it's just having a way to handle it without having to get out and physically pick up all the rocks.
It's actually 3 or 4 inches larger, and it's all concrete. Like I said, I'm gonna have to play with the camera to get it to where I know it sets up and even get a better view. But this is just the general idea, and checking out the camera to see how it works. As I'm going through here, I'm letting the blade down on the back of the tractor to kind of help smooth out some of these rough edges. I've got a lot of gravel spread around here. I think if I just would have pulled the camera down just a half inch, it would have made a big difference.
Well, that's what my little thing's for, is that I made to get the grass out. Dumped a lot there, a lot of it's there, and I don't know how many tons of gravel we put in here. I've carried probably, I know, about 300 tons around here. So this is the stuff from Delisi's, and that's what I'm saying is not the best stuff, but you still get a lot out of it.
as we come around here, these are the piles I'm talking about. I hauled most of that in, but we built this road all the way down through here. There's a foot or so down at the other end, foot and a half of gravel. There's gravel all in through here. Grass does grow back through, so.
Well, I'm back over here. Next thing, start on my excavator. If you have any questions, like and subscribe. Ask them. But that's my little rock cleaner. I may have to do some more to it, but